Anik is in the house. Anik is in the house. I'm going to do something that's kind of unusual for me. Creedence Clearwater tune. Long as I remember, rain's been coming down, clouds of mystery pouring, confusion on the ground. Good men through the ages, trying to find the sun. And I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain? I went down Virginia, seeking shelter from the storm, caught up in the fable. Watch the tower grow. 5-year plans and new deals, wrapped in golden chains. And I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain? Heard the singers playing, how we cheered for more. The crowd had rushed together, just trying to keep warm. Still the rain kept pouring, falling on my ears. And I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain? Who'll stop the rain? Who'll stop the rain? That's kind of a cool little ditty. Cool little ditty. We skip the light fandango, turn cartwheels across the floor. I was feeling kind of seasick, but the crowd called out for more. The room was humming harder as the seal flew away. And we called out for another drink, and the waiter brought a tray. And so it was that later, as the miller told us